Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi friends, this is Smart Fish Aquaculture Monitoring System with watercolor identification using smartphone camera. To develop this project, the main components are Raspberry Pi processor, 4 input sensors. One is ultrasonic, second one is temperature sensor, third one is pH sensor, and finally turbidity sensor. Here, to turn off and turn on DC pump motor, we are using a relay, and as pH values we are getting analog values, we are using ADC in between processor and pH sensor, and LCD to display the entire actions. Coming to the implementation, here you can observe in the display, right from the beginning you can observe very clearly water level 8.5, turbidity 1, and now the water is neutral and temperature is 31 degree Celsius. See, by using pH sensor we can know the water, whether the water content is acidic, neutral or alkaline. If the water is acidic, immediately we need to change the water. So we can change the water by using this pump motor, and immediately by using smartphone camera we can send the color of water image through an email stating that water is dangerous. This is about pH sensor, and we have another 3 sensors called ultrasonic, turbidity and temperature sensor. For rest of the 3 sensors, if any of the sensor value exceeds the threshold value, let's suppose turbidity value, if turbidity value is 0, we will get a buzzer alert, or if temperature is greater than 37 degrees Celsius, we will get a buzzer alert, or if the water level is low, then we will get the buzzer alert. Finally, we have 4 sensors. One is pH, ultrasonic, turbidity and temperature sensor. pH sensor value gives whether the water is acidic or base or alkaline or neutral. So if water is acidic, then we will get a mail alert with a captured image of water color, and for the rest of the 3 sensors we will get a buzzer alert. Here we have taken a base solution called soap water. Just let me dip the pH sensor inside the tank. So you can observe on LCD base content in water. Let me show you the acidic nature in the water also. As I said you, now I am placing pH sensor into an acidic solution. Here I am using coffee. So you are getting a buzzer alert. You can see here acidic water content. So what I would like to conclude here is, for pH sensor we are sending a mail alert by taking the water color image. Now we can observe the color here. Just I am zooming in. You can see the color like raw, amber, so with RGB values. Anyway, so this is the image which is sent to the user. Finally, I would like to conclude this project by saying that here we are implementing smart fish aquaculture by smartphone camera and color detection. So the color of the water can be identified and can be sent to the mail also with RGB values.